Greetings to everyone in Australia. My name is Jonah Paquette, and I'm a clinical psychologist and author of two research-based self-help books, Real Happiness and The Happiness Toolbox. And I'm thrilled to be visiting Australia this coming October for a series of one-day seminars sponsored by TATRA. I'll be presenting on the joyful brain, and we'll be discussing neuroscience-informed techniques to create lasting well-being and happiness both in ourselves and the clients who we work with. In the seminar, we'll be discussing the notion of self-directed positive neuroplasticity. In other words, how the cultivation of certain habits and behaviors can lead to lasting changes even on a brain-based level. And we'll be exploring together a series of principles for enhancing well-being and life satisfaction through the lens of practical neuroscience. We'll be discussing compassion-based techniques and how those help stimulate our vagus nerve, decrease cortisol, and activate our inferior parietal cortex. And we'll be discussing how gratitude-based interventions help activate our interior cingulate cortex and our hypothalamus, and why that's so important when it comes to its power to change our lives. We'll also be discussing the new science of awe, and how the moments that make us go, wow, actually help reduce inflammation in our body and create a unique response even on a brain-based level as well. We'll also discuss the simple yet crucial skill of savoring and how learning to savor positive experiences helps activate our ventral striatum, which enables us to sustain positive emotions and why that's so critical. And we'll also be discussing the idea of flow states and discuss the specific brainwave changes that occur in these moments and how they also lead to this chemical cascade of norepinephrine, dopamine, and endorphins. Most importantly, with each of these skills and with many more that we'll be discussing, we'll be focusing on very practical, tangible ways to integrate them into our daily lives in order to create meaningful and sustainable change in the days to come. I'm really looking forward to visiting your beautiful country and hopefully getting to meet a number of you at my seminar in October. To learn more and to register, please visit www.tatratraining.com and really hope to see you then. Thanks so much.